Let's go.
Where do we go? Somebody
Me
joined
and
the chopper.
Jatin go to
Where
the
are many
chopper place over
materials?
here.
Where are many? I think this is the place where you get many materials. Sanet, jump up.
honestly.
Sanet, come to the yellow marker. They both will do the sky meme. We'll do the sky
And
base
Jatin,
meme.
you are going to come with me to the chopper.
Oh god, my MC is laggy. It's lagging.
We can loot up here first, and then we'll go harvest everything. Okay?
Okay.
We gotta build it outside the
Then-
zone so that nobody can knock it down. Like however they can't, cause it's too like
Bro, bring me some chests.
Yeah, they can't knock it.
exactly.
Jatin,
They need to
our
come
mission
so
is
close.
to get all the guys using choppers. We have to get all the guys who are trying to use choppers, okay?
The game is lagging. Shit.
Ah,
Who is that? Oh my god! Get in, Krama, get in!
what? How did I go to emote? Oh my god. Guys, chopper, I'm going to another chopper part.
Whoa, your voice is breaking.
Sorry.
Oh,
Yeah,
I'm
Jatin, you wait. I'm going to come.
I left you a few weapons, like one weapon. There's not much, like there's not anything to loot up.
You guys have to get mats, right? Oh my god, I'm lagging.
I found a grappler.
Be the party leader.
Yeah,
Jatin,
take it.
You only be the party leader.
Yo, where is that chest?
Oh my god, there's fighting. Please ignore me. I am an innocent student who doesn't know how to fight. I'm a boss.
Yeah, here. Oh, there's 3 ammo boxes.
I have supercharge.
Oh, I found a bot. I'll go get the chopper.
I'll
One
use this.
second.
You take this thing. Let's go collect mats.
Oh, Krama!
Chopper,
Guys,
chopper,
everyone
I
is going to do
found the chopper. I'm
cyber
coming
ninja.
for it. Oh my god, what the heck is this? I go to the chopper and people who don't even let me go. Oh my god.
Hey, dude, take this,
I'm
take this.
lagging.
Sani, take this.
Let me
take
get
this.
some more.
If there, if we lose that thing,
Get out of the chopper, get out of the chopper, get out of the chopper, get out of the chopper.
Aryan, you have jetpacks, you know that, right?
oh yeah, but still, like you can use them.
Wait. Yeah, I died.
How?
Oh wait, wow. Oh, I tried yoinking my chopper.
Your voice is breaking, dude.
Yeah.
Krama, I don't think I can make it to you.
Who has a chopper now?
I'm running far. That's why I'm not far from me.
Let's
You're
go.
400
Let's go to
meters
the
away
sleeping
from
woods
me.
and then break everything.
That isn't that far.
We need so many
Is
mats.
anybody streaming this?
No. Why would I stream? We need
I'm
like
streaming
100
so that I
subscribers
can
maybe to stream. I'm lagging.
No.
You want 100 subscribers? I'll make 100 accounts and sub to you. Oh my god.
Yeah, that's better.
Got a shotgun.
Yo, there's some sweat here. There's one
Yeah,
sweat
I
here.
think we all can agree that this match isn't going the way we expected.
meters and go. Like literally. How should I do that?
No
Hey, he's right
problem,
side.
bro. I am happy to spectate you guys.
No, he's burning.
Oh yeah. Oh
Who
yeah, he's
burned?
pumping a mini. Take him.
Where is he?
We have to get him. We have to get him.
I killed him.
Get off.
I killed him.
Yeah, you guys need a combat. Combat is like the best shotgun.
Take this.
No one needs charges. Charges.
I don't know.
Shotgun.
No, it's a better charge.
Aryan, I'm coming to you.
Kill marauders, after use a zipline, after
Okay, we
snipe
can't do the
people, and after
skybase
use a
meme
whirlpool.
now.
Guys,
So
are
we'll,
whirlpool still
No, they're disabled.
No.
Okay, when
Then
the
how-
final
they're
zone
giving
comes
me
in, we
daily
have to build this
challenges.
thing, okay? That
You
gave us
guys
a
have to
solo.
get-
I am
Check out the
happy to
choppers,
participate. I'm happy to participate in the Skybase meme with you guys.
It's not actually a
Come
sky
on,
base.
come
We
on.
can't make it. Maybe we can make this being in the sky
Yeah.
for a long time. That thing.
I have a better idea. What we do is
Aryan, we can
go here
definitely make
and another two people.
Rama spectate me. Rama
Oh yeah,
spectate.
take that llama. Take that llama.
I have Rama eyes.
Okay, yeah, you guys can definitely make it. I saw that lamb. You guys can make it.
Oh shit, I just
Dude, if they
just
take
off.
out double pump in this mode, how will we even play without double pump?
Will die.
They could go.
Exactly, it will take lot of time to shoot. You just do this and then it
You
takes lot
can't
of time.
change a shotgun. That's so stupid. I don't even know what Epic was even thinking. You change between a shotguns also, you require some 3 seconds break or something. 2 seconds. Sankhya, please stop. I'm lagging.
Let's speak.
Yeah, you build around it. You build around. But don't touch it. Up also. Just in case they bounce away.
Take so many mats. Everyone take so many mats and help me build that thing.
I opened the llama, bro.
There's a purple XP coin where you just
easily
put
has
that thing,
1000
no?
marks.
So that you collect the whole thing.
One sec, Aryan, one sec. Now you. Yeah, now nothing will go out.
Cha-ching legacy. Collect all the coins. Oh, I collected all the coins in the map.
Nice.
You guys have to start now. You guys have to start building up now.
Yeah.
Now or never.
Go out of the zone first. Let's go out of the zone. Let's go out.
No, we don't have enough mats yet. Don't have enough mats yet. We farm
Yeah,
more.
collect everything until it's everything you find, harvest it.
I found a lot.
Guys,
You have to start from somewhere here. To successfully do it, you have to start from somewhere near Salty's continent, not market.
Not salty
Guys,
actually. We can just do it from here. We can break. Krama, let's break all these trees. Come. I mean, Sanet, come here.
Inside.
Yeah, let's go here.
Wait,
Oh,
wait,
there are even those double barrel shotguns are not on. These LTMs are really nice. They involve so many things.
did
Hey
someone
guys,
use
I
this
have chuck
house?
splashes.
Yeah,
Guys,
we're
stop.
coming.
I have chuck splashes.
I'm breaking every tree. I'm breaking every tree here. Somebody can help me coming.
Who looted house?
The ghost house, we only.
Nah, the shadow house. It's shadow now.
Okay. It was ghost. Without any
Guys,
henchman.
I
There was
know.
not a single henchman there.
Nah, there will never be an henchman over here.
You forgot to
I'll
do.
over this place.
You can actually farm the whole build. Get a lot of bricks.
Yeah, you guys have to
Dude,
start
dude.
building this.
Look at this
skyscraper.
meme. Look at this meme. I'm using scuba Jonesy. I should be in the water, but still I'm just building above the water.
Aryan, did you start building? Aryan, did you start
Nah,
building?
he still did not. He got 100 wood. He's starting now.
Yeah.
I mean
1000.
1000 wood almost all. He has 936.
Let's start from here. I have to double
Yeah.
ramp.
One sec, bro. Don't start yet. Don't start yet.
You guys
no,
come
no,
here.
no double ramp.
Why?
Yeah.
Yo,
You're
you're
wasting the mat.
What?
okay then.
You have to
Then
wait
okay.
for the next zone.
Let's just build it so
Wait
damn
for the
high
next
so
zone.
that nobody can. Yeah, next zone. I'm just collecting
Yeah, try
everything I
next
see. There's so many wood trees out here.
The thing is, choppers will come and destroy our sky base. So what my plan was, me and Jatin would go destroy all the choppers, and you.
Oh yeah, nice plan.
But
Guys, your voice is breaking.
I'm lagging. It's not like my fault. It's the internet.
I have 840 wood. Not
It's
bad.
relaxing because it's Justin's birthday and he doesn't want to play with that.
Yeah,
All
I need
Justin's
few
fault.
more.
Hey, any shotgun shell, someone?
Everybody be
You
full
guys
at health.
You have to go like on the other side of this river.
I have two
and
big pots. I have two big pots.
There's the top.
Let's call it the South River. You have to go all. You have to start from the South River west.
Should I
bank.
carry two pots or that double barrel?
Bro,
No,
AQ,
you don't
actually use that. Use that thing. Use
What?
those.
No, your tactical thing. Your tac shotgun. Double barrel does a better job. It can like finish a person off.
Yeah,
in,
but
like,
then it
2
takes
minutes.
like if we miss the shot, only 2 bullets will have. It will take time for reloading. And TAC has 8 bullets. Like you can shoot him really better. I'm lagging.
Hey, I need shotgun shell.
But then it can get up. Yeah, you're lagging. I see that.
I made
Why?
Sanet party leader.
No, Jatin, you be the party leader. Sanet sometimes does not have good ping.
Guys, I'm taking the supply drop. Can no one take it?
Yeah, birthday boys take it.
Shut up.
It didn't even. I can.
You can shoot it. You can shoot it like. in
Aryan,
like zero
Aryan, you're
damage.
alerting. You're trying to alert.
I am full of wood.
People can snipe you, you know. People can snipe you.
I need brick. Keep jumping. They have snipers, no?
Stella. Stella is there.
Yeah, they have the combat shotgun here.
The invite.
The sniper gun
The
of-
invite.
Shotgun.
The invite we can't play. If Sutai comes, you have to play creative.
I have a heavy shotgun
No,
here.
no, no.
Any shotgun shells if anyone has it.
Pump, 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 pump.
What is better, pump or heavy shotgun?
Guys,
Heavy
I
shotgun
have
does much
the
damage.
wood, full wood, 700 brick, 400
Okay,
brick.
now come here,
I
everybody.
don't think you have to go
come here.
completely. Like you have to go near ghost house. You have to go near ghost house or something.
Let's come
There's
here.
a chopper in there, not even letting us do
Yeah.
it. Letting us do it.
Yeah, they won't let you do it, bro. I'm telling you.
Let's
Standing on us there.
Yeah, you guys try, but it's difficult with those choppers in the sky.
Where are these guys?
I have max wood.
Okay.
Someone has
Once they come, keep shooting them. Okay. Once these people come.
I have a blue combat. Hey, what?
You can't even touch them.
Yeah, you guys are full, no?
Bro, you have full max.
I
You guys come. Go to this side. Yeah.
Let's build. Start building. Jatin, start building.
yeah, start building.
People are
Yeah, you
here.
guys need-
People right there. And they're like
So
start
what?
building.
Doesn't
Nothing
matter.
happened, come.
You have to start. You have to start. Skybase or nothing. Oh, wait, you.
Hey,
Oh, I thought you.
Papa coming to. Oh, yeah.
I'm watching.
That
I'm
guy's
lagging.
landing.
One guy.
Make it bigger. Make it bigger.
Someone shot you. Oh. Oh my god, they have their combat. Behind you.
No.
What is that? They have combat shot.
They're doing the bathroom.